Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a comfy silicone ring that you don't have to worry about? Then definitely check out this set by Egnaro. My husband loves these rings and I think that they are really unique. First of all, the design is meant to be breathable. So sometimes wearing silicone rings, I find that they can be the opposite, right? They can kind of be like a little too tight on the skin and not breathable. So it gets kind of weird underneath the ring. It's not super comfy, but these are designed to be comfy. And I think that the design of these is really nice too. They come in a bunch of different colors that are obviously easy for you to switch out depending on what color you want to wear that day. I think these are such a great option if you are worried about scratching your ring or you just like the feel of silicone. These are nice and breathable. They come in super fun colors and they have that nice kind of brushed metal look. So they look like a real ring, but with all the benefits of wearing a silicone one. If you're looking for a great silicone ring, we highly recommend these, but that's just our point of view.